Today we will talk about UPDF Pro, a revolutionary AI-powered PDF editor that makes editing PDFs much easier than before. Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, UPDF is a PDF editor that's unlike any other. It's powered by AI, which means it can do things that no other PDF editor can do. For example, UPDF can summarize PDF, translate PDF, and explain huge PDF files on a single click. It also annotates, edits, converts, OCR, protects, fills, and signs PDFs across platforms. Now let me show you how easily we can modify our PDF document in this software. Upon running the software, you will see a simple and clean interface like this. To open a PDF document, just click this giant open button or drag a PDF file into the application. To edit a PDF document, click on the Edit PDF icon or use the keyboard shortcut Command +2. Now I am in editing mode, and I can edit this PDF document, including its images, links, and text. Let's edit this image because it overlaps my text. First select the image. As soon as you click on the image, a small bar appears that allows you to resize, rotate, crop, extract, or replace the image. I don't want to replace the image, just resize it. For that, I can use these metrics or just use these small dots to resize the image. Editing the PDF text is also simple, just select the text and delete or add some more text. Simple. You can also change the position of text and images in your PDF by selecting them and dragging them to the desired location. You can exit from editing mode by pressing Command +0 or using the reader button. UPDF offers a variety of annotation tools, such as adding sticky notes, highlighting text, strike-through text, underlining text, and adding text comments. You can draw freeform shapes with the pencil tool. And if something goes wrong, you can use an eraser tool. Additionally, you can add shapes and stickers to your PDF document. I love these stickers. There are so many, just search for your required sticker and add it to your PDF document. You can also add stamps. Click on the stamp icon, search for the desired stamp, and add it to your document. UPDF also allows you to create or import your own stamps. Like other PDF editors, this software also offers the ability to sign your documents. Let's go to the Organization section. In the UPDF Organization section, you can effortlessly add, replace, or extract pages from your PDF file. Simply click Insert to add a blank page, or upload a PDF page from your computer. Rearranging PDF pages is simple with drag and drop. Using the Replace button, you can easily replace any PDF page with another. Similarly, you can extract and split your PDF pages. Now let me show you how to crop your PDF pages. Click the crop icon. Select the page, and use the handles to choose the crop area. Now click on the crop button, and that's all. Now let me show you how to add or remove watermarks, backgrounds, headers, and footers to your PDF documents. First, go to the Page Tools section. On the top of the page, select the desired action. Suppose, I need to add a watermark on my PDF document. So first, I will select the Watermark tab, and then click on the Add button. Now select the type of watermark: text, image, or PDF. I want to add an image as a watermark, so I select the Image tab. Click on the three dots, navigate to my picture, and click the Open button. Now adjust the position, size, and opacity of the watermark. And then click on the Save button. To export your PDF, go to the File menu and choose Export. Or click the Export icon on the right-hand side. Choose the file format to export your PDF document. Adjust settings for best results. And then click Export. Like other documents, you can also password protect your PDF document. Click on this lock icon, or go to File menu, and choose Encrypt with Password. Set your password. Click on Apply, then Save, and you're done. In UPDF you can reduce your PDF file size. For that, from the right-hand side, click on the Save as Other icon, and choose Reduce File Size. Choose a quality level, and hit the Save button. UPDF has a built-in AI feature that allows you to summarize, translate, or explain your whole PDF or a part of it. For example, I want to translate this paragraph. So as soon as I select this paragraph, a small bar appears with AI options. Now I can utilize AI to summarize, translate, or explain selected text. As I want to translate this text, so I click on the Translate icon and choose my preferred language. That's all. Within seconds the AI translated my text. Like other PDF editors, UPDF is a paid software, however, it offers a free trial for 7 days. The great thing about UPDF is that, with just one license, you can use it across all platforms. So this means that if you are using Mac, Windows, iOS, or Android, you can use your PDF within these platforms.